Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing essentials. Make sure you have a second phone number ready to receive an SMS or call, and create a backup of your primary Viber chats so nothing is lost. Once done, open your phone settings and enable dual apps or install a trusted app cloner like Parallel Space. These create an isolated instance. Make sure the cloner has required permissions. Now launch the cloned Viber to begin the account setup, because each Viber instance needs its own verification. Next, in the cloned Viber, you'll complete the verification and configuration. Enter the second phone number and wait for the SMS or voice code, then input it to register. This links that number to the cloned app. Make sure to grant contacts, storage, microphone, and camera permissions so calls and media work. Once verified, create a profile name and avatar, sync contacts, and adjust notification settings. This ensures both Viber instances behave independently, yet reliably, on the same device. To finish, test both accounts by sending messages, making calls, and exchanging media. Confirm notifications arrive for each instance. Once done, customize ringtones or chat colors so you can instantly tell which account is active. If anything goes wrong, for example, verification fails or messages don't arrive, clear the cloner's cache, restart the phone, and rerun verification. Make sure the second number can receive SMS and isn't blocked by carrier filters. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.